In today's Tech Roundup, Google is giving its powerful AI search tool a pair of eyes. Its new visual search features let you blend images with conversational search, asking questions about anything you see. From seeing the world differently to folding it, fresh rumors suggest Samsung's anticipated trifold phone is coming soon. The latest leaks point to a potential launch date in late October or early November, so keep an eye out for this new form factor. While we wait for new hardware, Amazon is upgrading its software cloud gaming service. Luna is getting a huge update focused on party games. The best part is this all-new social gaming experience will be completely free for all Amazon Prime subscribers. In other gaming news, two industry titans are teaming up. Ubisoft and Tencent have formed a new subsidiary called Vantage Studios. This new studio will now lead development on some of the biggest franchises in the world, including Assassin's Creed, Far Cry, and Rainbow Six. But as our digital world expands, so do the threats. NordVPN is tackling a sneaky vulnerability you might not know about called session hijacking. Its new hijack session alert feature aims to combat this growing threat, keeping your online accounts safe from digital intruders.